हम देशवासियों ने, हमारे वैज्ञानिकों ने, हमारे उद्यमियों की ताकत का ही ये परिणाम है कि भारत को वैक्सीन के लिए किसी और देश पर हमें निर्भर नहीं होना पड़ा।
1 billion jabs in 279 days. Pat yourself on your back, Bharat. We should be very, very proud for what we've been able to do. But this story is of hardship. This story is of commitment. This story is of going to that nook and cranny of this country and ensuring that everybody gets the jab. Rorawala Khurd is a village less than 1 kilometer from the India-Pakistan border in Amritsar district. Just a few months ago, people would laugh at those who believed COVID-19 was real and not a hoax. That's when Network 18 and Federal Bank's COVID vaccine awareness campaign Sanjeevani, a shot of life, started working on the ground, dispelling myths and rumors, and we're happy to share that because of the efforts on ground, 100% vaccination of the first dose has been achieved, even in this remote village.
We are working in the belt, which is right along the India-Pakistan border. Currently, we are in the village Rorawala Khurd, which is right on the zero line. As you can see, it just meters away. We are working and focusing on this area majorly because of lack of economic opportunities.
Rorawala Khurd, less than 1 kilometer from the fence bordering with Pakistan. A village where a few months ago, fear of getting vaccinated was acute.
माहौल गर्म था, लोग डरते थे बहुत ज़्यादा। अगर कोई मास्क लगाकर मतलब जैसे गुरुद्वारे जाता था, तब भी लोग मजाक बनाते थे कि इसको ज़्यादा मतलब डर चढ़ा है इस बीमारी का। कोई बीमारी नहीं है पहले।
That's when Sanjeevani hit the ground. The goal, to create vaccine awareness in the face of stiff opposition. 3 months on, the impossible made possible.
अब हम बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं। अब हमें यकीन हो, कोई भी डर नहीं है कि इंजेक्शन लगाने से कोई भी बीमारी नहीं बढ़ सकती कोरोना की।
The response hugely heartwarming because today 100% of the adult population has taken the first dose.
शुरू में वैक्सीनेशन जब हुई है स्टार्ट तो हमें इतना यकीन नहीं था कि 100% होगा, लेकिन एनजीओ आने के बाद जब संजीवनी वाले आए हैं, इन्होंने घर घर जाके लोगों को मोटिवेट किया है। उसके बाद हमारा पूरा कवर है 100%.
We are happy that Sanjeevani campaign has immensely benefited this village.
Just 26 years old, and she's already administered more than 15,000 COVID-19 jabs. Nurse Christina at Ramanoor Lohiya Hospital was the one who administered the billionth jab. We caught up with her earlier in the day. Listen in. India, we as a country have created history, and you are a part of it, an integral part of it, because you administered the 1 billionth vaccine this morning.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Tell us the moment. How did it feel? What was going through your mind? Or did you think that what's the big deal? I'm doing this every day. 15,000 jabs till date that you have administered COVID vaccines?
Yeah, so today it was a great moment because the last person that I inoculate was I did in front of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi. So it was a great moment for me to get such an opportunity and also to celebrate the 100 crore vaccination moment with our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. Yes.
Do you remember, Christina ji, do you remember the first vaccine that you gave? When was that? First COVID vaccine that you gave?
Yeah, so initially when this vaccination drive was started on Jan 6, we used to be there at the vaccination site, and then there was only a few number of people who turned up for vaccination. So as I look back and as I recall now, there was a huge difference because initially people, they are not well aware of, they don't have proper information regarding the vaccines, and also there were many misconceptions about the vaccines. So when I look back in the past days and as I compare now, there is a huge difference. And yeah.
I know you're from Manipur, from Senapati, correct me if I'm wrong. How are the
Yes.
people back home, your family, your friends, how were they earlier and how did they respond to this entire vaccination drive? Did you have to convince them ki jao, get the vaccination?
Yeah, actually, even among my family members, they were afraid to go and get this vaccine. They are afraid. But I call on phone, and then I talk to my parents, and I even encourage my siblings to go and get the vaccine. So as of now, everyone back at home, they have vaccinated, and yeah.
But Christina, tell me, when did you know that you are going to be the person who is going to administer the 1 billionth jab? Who told you?
I was informed yesterday, but I don't know that particular person will be the 1 billion person. So this morning I got to know, and then I was so excited because that marks the 100 crore, and that gives us a better hope that if we come together, we can definitely fight against this deadly virus.
Were you nervous that Prime Minister Modi was also there?
Yeah, of course. I was very nervous. At the same time, very excited because I have seen Honorable Prime Minister Modi a number of times on TV, but I never imagined that I would meet our Honorable Prime Minister in person and then talk to him. So it was a great honor walking there in the vaccination center, and then I got to meet our Prime Minister Modi. Yeah.
So how was that conversation? Were you the one asking questions or was he the one conducting the interview?
Yeah, he was asking me questions, and I was answering to all his questions.
So what was he asking?
So he asked me my name, where do I belong from, and he also asked me regarding my journey throughout this largest vaccination drive, and what are the obstacles that I have faced during this time period.
Did you feel inspired? Did you feel inspired? Did you feel happy to meet him in person? Was he different from what you thought of him?
Yeah, it was so great, not only for me, but also for all the healthcare team, such a great person coming by, he himself come to our place and then he encouraged us. So, that motivate us to do more things, to work, to contribute more for the people to fight against this deadly virus in this crisis time. So it was definitely not only for me, but also for all the healthcare team that we are so, happy. We are so blessed that such a great honor to see him and also to motivate us.
Well, we need to celebrate everybody, not just Nurse Christina, but thousands and lakhs of healthcare workers across our country. And as we celebrate the administration of 1 billion jabs, it is the healthcare workers on ground who are the real heroes.
Meet Sona Yadav, the sole Anganwadi worker in Rajpura. Sona says when the pandemic struck, people were so scared they would just disappear.
भाग क्यों जाते थे लेकिन?
डर लगता था उनको कि कोरोना ही काल देंगे तो हमको हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कर देंगे और वहाँ से हमारी डेड बॉडी आएगी कि नहीं आएगी वहीं मर जाएंगे उनको ऐसा भ्रम था.
And the misconceptions still continue.
क्या क्या वजह क्या आप लगाना नहीं चाहते हैं?
नहीं हूँ वहाँ से छुट्टी लिखाई लेंगे डॉक्टर साहब से, मगर बहुत ब्लड प्रेशर है।
ये सही कह रहे हैं कि ये
नहीं कुछ नहीं है इनको, ये लगवाना है कि इच्छुक ही नहीं।
तो इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि आप ये कराओ। आप लगवाना ना लगवाना वो आप पे है पूरा। आपसे कोई किसी तरह की कोई जबरदस्ती बिल्कुल नहीं करेगा।
Sona and the Sanjeevni team then explained to them the importance and benefits of vaccination. In just minutes, the collective effort enough to convince him.
तो आप लगवाएंगे अभी?
हाँ लगाऊंगा।
पक्का?
पक्का।
More than half of Rajpura now vaccinated. And the credit goes to Sona Yadav, an exemplary Anganwadi worker and a Sanjeevni champion. Asha workers are out on duty in the remote village of Thanapada, close to the border of Gujarat. The health workers are traversing forests, crossing streams, and walking several kilometers to reach patients, especially those who are infected by COVID-19.
दादा हो दादा झोपले की काय आम्ही तुम्हाला भेटायला आलोय.
Sangeeta Bhoye is an ASHA supervisor with a team of 12 ASHA workers, and her work on the ground is admired and excellent. Not just providing medical attention but also giving food, provisions, eggs and vegetables to coronavirus patients.
कोई किसी से बातचीत नहीं कर रहा था, कोई अगर किसी को देखो तो रास्ता बदल के जाने का, ऐसा सब माहौल था. उस टाइम हमारे आशा वर्कर्स और हमने हर एक के घर घर में जाकर उनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल चेक किया और उनका टेम्परेचर लिया.
But they all continued working, serving the people, and for that they are our Sanjeevni champions.
Joined by two more Sanjeevni champions, ladies and gentlemen. Manju Tyagi, Chief of Nursing, Max Hospital, and Hemlata Chaudhary, Asha worker from village Panchola in Sawar in Indore. Namaste, ladies, and congratulations to all. It is because of your efforts that this has happened. Manjuji must feel very satisfying. Over the last few months, it's been very, very tough.
Thank you so much, News 18, for the opportunity, right, given to me. Yes, it was tough, right? Because we the Max a Smart Super Specialty Hospital has been COVID hospital. It's like a roller coaster, right? Life for us. But when we really had the launch of vaccination on 16th January, it was like a festival for us, and the all team worked like a warrior actually. But the actually challenge in front of me as a chief of nursing was that I had the largest workforce who had taken care of the all COVID patients during the first wave, right? And they were a little bit apprehensive of taking the vaccination. So what, like all team came forward, my chief of nursing, my medical superintendent, my all senior clinicians, actually they have taken jab first. So after that, actually we could convince our team first. So the first, actually all team we have taken jab, and it was a very different actually, because we experienced the very tough time during the first wave of COVID, and we were so much assured that after these all jabs, I think the corona crisis will be over. And really it was a very a different experience for us all together. And to handling that's all actually community people, common man, when they were coming to with the so much apprehension, right? They were so scared. So we taken time, we sat with them, we counseled them, we convinced them that nothing is going to be happen there. And you won't believe, even such a so far we have given more than 65,000 of jabs. Hardly a very minor 1 or 2 actually reaction has happened. There wasn't any untoward event happened at our place. And that could actually give a further message to people that it's really safe.
True.
So things were taken in a very different heightened scales. We really enjoyed, and even after that, I can say that the all team like a warrior we faced, and we like overcome the apprehension and the fear of people.
जी आसान
right?
नहीं
So,
नहीं मंजू जी आप बने रहिए मेरे साथ. I've just got हेमलता चौधरी जी also joining us, आशा वर्कर from सांवर in इंदौर. हेमलता जी नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
100 करोड़ टीके लग गए देश में, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत खुशी की बात है सर वो.
हाँ, पर आपने जब शुरू किया था वहां पर आपको कहा गया था लोगों के बीच जाइए, उनसे कहें कि टीका लगाएं. कैसा माहौल था उस वक्त और आज कैसा है?
उस टाइम बहुत खराब माहौल था. घर जाने तक किसी को मतलब आने के लिए हमको मना कर दिया था कि नहीं, आप पता नहीं कहाँ घूमते हो, आप हमारे घर मत आओ, आप हमको बीमारियां कर दोगे.
आपके खुद के घर में भी आपको नहीं रोकते थे, क्यों बाहर जा रहे हो?
बोलते ना तो बोलते कि नहीं हम तो बस ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं, हम आ जाएंगे, हम किसी के साथ नहीं जा रहे, हमें मत बताओ, हम किसी बीमारी से नहीं मरेंगे.
फिर
सरकार तो पागल बनाती है, ऐसे ही बीमारी बना लेती है.
तो फिर आपने उनको कैसे समझाया? आपने उनको कैसे समझाया?
जी सर.
आपने उनको कैसे समझाया?
जी सर.
आपको आवाज आ रही है? बताइए, आपने लोगों को कैसे समझाया हेमलता जी?
सर हम उनके घर गए, उनसे बोला कि नहीं, अगर आप टीका लगवाओगे तो आप सुरक्षित रहोगे, आपका परिवार सुरक्षित रहेगा. इस बीमारी के दौर से अगर आप मान लो, अगर आपको कोरोना हो भी जाता है तो आपके शरीर में वो शक्ति आ जाएगी कि आप उस बीमारी से लड़ने के लायक बन जाओगे.
फिर अब धीरे-धीरे अब लोगों का रवैया बदल गया है, अब लोगों का एटीट्यूड चेंज हो गया है. अब लोग आपके पास आते हैं कि देख बताइए टीका लगाओ, का अगला टीका कब लगाना है, पूछते हैं आपसे.
जी सर, अब बहुत चेंजिंग आ गई है. अब तो खुद आगे रह के हमसे पूछने आते हैं कि भैया अगला टीका कब लगेगा, कब वैक्सीनेशन होगा, अगर हो तो हमें पहले से खबर कर दीजिए. पर पहले के माहौल में और आज के माहौल में इतना फर्क आ गया है कि हम कुछ सोच नहीं सकते. हम जब घर जाते थे तो लोग हमको देख के दरवाजा बंद कर लेते थे.
बहुत मुश्किल रहा होगा ना अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखना और फिर ये बिलीफ रखना कि देखो हमें काम करना है. इस जज्बे को मैं आपके बहुत सैल्यूट करता हूँ. आज मुझे बहुत ऐसा था कि मैं आप लोगों से बात करूं जिन लोगों को हर रोज इसे झेलना पड़ा, चाहे अपने हॉस्पिटल में हो, चाहे अपने गांव में हो, आंगनवाड़ी में हो. तो हेमलता जी एंड मंजू जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू एंड थैंक यू. Thank you for the service that you're rendering to society and what you've done for our country. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Well, lovely speaking to these ladies. What determination it takes to have doors slammed on your face and still go knocking and saying, listen, you have to do it. Listen to me. And from that time when you were rejected to come to a place where we are 100 crore doses from 1 to 1 billion. But what does this mean as we wind up this edition of the Riot Stand? Just look at the possibilities that it sets up for us. We as a nation, if we decide to do something, we can, ladies and gentlemen. So we need sound medical logistics supply chain in place, and we can put it. Speedy outreach and distribution channels need to be ready. Trained, skilled medical manpower, we have it, and we can use it to our benefit. And there are so many other fights like tuberculosis which need to be fought. Big Atmanirbharta push on medical oxygen, ventilators, PPEs. Already every district in our country now has a PSA oxygen plant. Healthcare to take center stage in policy making. And that perhaps sets it up for us as a healthier, safer, stronger, more secure Bharat. Thank you for watching this edition of The Right Stand.